Fabulous Fascia Friday as we continue into the glutes and hips. Today we're going to get into the glute max and into the glute med. And so we're going to take two balls and we're going to place one here, just in that glute med a little above it, and then one in the glute max. And we're going to lay down. Our knees are bent. And you're going to draw that right knee in. The ball is up higher on this right side. And you're just going to take that leg around in circles. Circle both ways. You can hold or you can move. And then you'll change the balls out. So the right ball is going to go on the glute max and you'll extend the leg. The left ball is going on the glute med. And you will circle with the hips both ways. Don't forget to breathe deeply and enjoy.